All right, mate. Let's look at this again here because I looked at it earlier and I thought it was risky getting in. It was already up 4 or 5% from memory. It was in this cluster, and I said it's probably best not to buy it. So obviously I was a little bit wrong on that, as it is exploded here, this 1 hour candle. The reason why I said not to buy was because at that point we were sitting sort of below here, and it can be risky to buy that. Only 3 days left when there's a bearish 2-week stop hunt. Now, of course, I did say in the video, above this level is bullish and below it is bearish. So it's been a very strong coin in the past. I'm not going to buy it here. Can this keep running through all-time highs and keep going? Maybe, but I don't really like buying it when it's up 11%. Very nice move. The 3 day was already green. So for me, it's already missed too much of the move to be buying in. As I said in that last video I made, the buy was as soon as this flipped green here, because this is a bullish move up out of a bullish pattern in a bull trend above all moving averages. When the dip and then flip green on the new 3 day, that was the buy point here, with a stop loss below here. But it didn't see that in the moment, and then now it has pushed. Well, it's probably 20% up. Oh no, okay, sorry, only 12%. Oh, so it's only a new 3 day. Yeah, confused there on the time frames. So I don't really like buying this into double top, but I actually do like the pattern. I like the roundingness. I like this roundingness. So I would be open to trading it on a new daily candle in case it's going to get that parabolic nature and actually have a real breakout. But I don't like buying it here right now. I'd rather trade a new daily candle. So for me, it's one to watch for a new day. This pattern, obviously now when it is breaking up, it does look more bullish. There was a point there it could have rejected and could have rolled over. It obviously did not wait for a new 2-week candle. So I was wrong earlier on today to not buy this, which is a little bit frustrating. It got a very nice move up. So I would be happy to trade this on a new day.